Hi there, and welcome to my very small camper van. I've been talking a lot lately about the pros and cons of my kitchen setup, and today I thought I would show you what it's like to cook in it. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite camping breakfast recipes, which will be eggs poached in salsa. We're going to need the butane stove for this, but we can skip the windscreen because it's not windy today. Since I only have one burner, I need to prioritize what I'll cook first. In this case, I'm going to start with the toast. This is my 25-year-old camping toaster. What I like about it is that it will cook 4 slices at the same time. It doesn't take very long, just a few minutes on each side, but it's good to keep an eye on it because the bottoms cook faster and these are just starting to burn. After I've buttered them, I'm going to put a plate on top of them to keep them warm while I make the eggs. The eggs will be poached directly in the salsa. I only have a small can of salsa with me, so I'll add a bit of diced tomato to have enough to cover the bottom of the pan. Then I crack the eggs right into the salsa, leaving some room all around them. Once the salsa is hot, you can turn down the heat to low to just simmer it. Add a bit of black pepper and salt, and cover them and let them cook on low till the egg whites are set. While they're cooking, I'll get this nice ripe avocado sliced. And these look done. When checking the eggs, I want to loosen them up with my spatula to be sure they're not sticking to the pan. Depending on your preferences, you could also put them directly onto the toast, but I like to put them on the side. Now the reason I like this recipe, other than it tasting great, is that the salsa keeps the eggs warm so they don't get cold while eating outside in the wind. And I hate it when my eggs get cold, and that happens a lot when camping. I've garnished them with the avocado slices and a bit of hot sauce. You might want more or less hot sauce depending on how hot your salsa was to start with. These eggs are just right. The yolks are nice and soft but not runny. Pile on a few avocado slices and it's time to dig in. Cheers! Thanks for watching, and happy camping and cooking!